Hello friends, so welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to see, means basically we are going to learn, discuss and we'll see the conversation between a teacher and the students. So in this video you are going to learn really very important things, means the newly joint teacher, she or he is going to learn that how to interact with the students, when means how to interact with the students. And also the main motto of the video is that for the students, because sometimes when students are made to speak something, they are not confident that how to interact with the teacher or the class. So the main motto of this video is for them. So video is going to be very useful for teachers, for students, for both. So watch the video till end, because you are going to learn everything, that how to interact with the teacher, how to speak with them, or how to interact with the other people. So let's start the video. So the first, when teacher enters the classroom, the teacher enters in the classroom, the first thing the students do is they wish good morning. The first sentence that they use to interact with the teacher or sir is they wish good morning. So teachers also reply back to them by wishing good morning. Then here as here is examination, means exam season. So student is asking, sir, my examination is round the corner, can you give me some instruction as to how I should prepare? So this video is based on examination, means exam seasons. Here the students are there, their exams are nearby, so they are asking for the help of their teacher, that how they should prepare for the exam, what are the points that they should use to learn or to memorize something. So they are asking for that how should they prepare for the examination. Here the teacher replies back. He said that certainly, but at first get rid of your mobile, that is a major distraction. So the teacher says that the first thing you have to do is do not touch your mobile, or means if you have any emergency, you should use less, means totally in the examination season you should not use your mobile. So the student replies back. He says, okay sir. Okay means fine, means fine sir, okay sir, you can use both. The teacher says, read your text thoroughly, for you must have all the information while you study. So the teacher says that read your text thoroughly means the textbook or the textbook or notebook. The teacher is telling that read the things that you are provided with, read them thoroughly. Thoroughly means repeat it again and again, means read it again and again, for you must have all information while you study. He's saying that you should read the text thoroughly, because you should have all information while you study, means you have any topic is there, you should get the deep, means every information about it, so you should read your text thoroughly. So the student replies. He says that, sir, I have a problem in memorizing. So here this problem is for every student, not for him only. So here the student says that, sir, I have a problem in memorizing. So what does you mean by memorizing? Memorizing means learning. It means learning. So the student says, he says to the teacher that, sir, I have a problem in memorizing. Means he sometimes say he's unable to memorize something. That's why he's saying that the main problem is memorizing. So the teacher replies back. He says that instead of learning, try to understand it. Try to concentrate on one major theme at a time until you grasp it well. So the teacher replies back. He says to the student that instead of learning, means instead of memorizing, you should understand it. Instead of memorizing, the main thing is that you should understand it. Also try to concentrate on one major theme at a time. Also the teacher says that at a time you should concentrate on one thing only. Means the subject you are studying now, concentrate on the particular subject, not don't think or don't learn, memorize or understand any other subject. Instead of that, he's saying that this until you so how you have so he said, teacher said that instead of learning, try to understand it. Second, try to concentrate on one major theme at a time. He said that you should concentrate on particular subject while you are studying that. And you finished your study of that particular subject, then you should study another subject with whole concentration. So the teacher said this in the lines. So now the student replies back. He says, sir, a few of my friends were planning to do group study. Will it be useful? So the student, he says that some friends they were planning to do group study. So the student is asking that will it be useful or harmful, or will he score nice marks if he studies in group study. So the student means he is asking to his sir that is group study useful in examination season. Definitely sometimes we also ask our teacher that whether group study is useful for our examination. So the student is asking that. In next sentence, teacher says, yes, definitely you also must solve old question papers because those will help you get acquainted with the format of the questions. So the teacher replies back to the student. He says that yes, definitely. He says that yes, group study will be useful, and also the main thing is, he says that also the main thing you have to do is while you study in group, you should solve the old question papers because you get to know the format of the questions. The teacher replies to the student that yes, the group study is useful, and also the thing you have to do while you are studying group, you should solve old question paper that you get to know the format of the question. He says that. Then the student says, thank you sir. He wishes him that thank you sir for explaining, for your guidance. Then the teacher replies back to the student. He says that if you need anything else, let me know. He says that if you need any other help regarding examination, you can take my help. Then the student says, sure sir. Means at last he says, thank you sir. Means sure sir, I will definitely ask. Means yes. So hope you find the video useful, friends. So the main thing of interacting, when the teacher enters in the class, you should wish them. Then you should continue with your studies, with your examination or anything other regarding study. You should ask the teacher, ask the question, you should answer it confidently. And also, when teacher says something, you should be able to answer it. So this was all the video. Hope you find the video useful, and if you find the video useful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.